Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have what you need: a working Swagger UI, base URL, and an auth token. First, open the endpoint you want and hit Try It Out. Enter path parameters, query values, and request body where required. Set headers like authorization and content type. Once done, scan the example schemas to match types and required fields. This speeds testing and prevents basic 400 errors. Make sure to save any frequently used values to reuse in later calls and avoid copy mistakes. Execute the call and watch the status code, response time, and returned headers. You want to confirm success codes like 200/201 or expected errors such as 400/404 for invalid input. Read the JSON body and compare it to the documented schema. Mismatches often indicate contract issues or missing fields. Once done, modify the payload to test edge cases, optional fields, and negative scenarios. Make sure to log request and response pairs for reproducibility and to share with developers if bugs appear. Finalize by saving successful requests, response samples, and the environment variables used. Then export or document the cases so you can rerun them or convert them into automated tests. If something fails, start troubleshooting. Verify the token and its scope, confirm the base URL and environment, and check CORS or proxy issues. Also validate JSON types and required fields. Inspect server logs if available. One key tip: reproduce the failing request with curl to isolate client versus server problems and gather clear error evidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.